Hello everybody, and this is my latest video. I'm how to cook it, and this is a whole leg of lamb. Okay, so what's happening here folks is I'm adding rosemary from the garden to the leg of lamb, and I've stabbed it, as you can see, in several places. Nice bit of seasoning, salt, pepper. Just sprinkle it on as and when, everybody. And I just wanted to have a shout out to my 1000 subscribers. Thank you very much. And there will be a reward coming your way in due course. I'm going to randomly pick a subscriber, and I'm going to send you a free taiyaki pan for those of you who are fans of the taiyaki cake video. So what you see here folks is butter. Just any old amount of butter, just as long as it covers the leg of lamb sufficiently. And I was pretty happy with what I'd done there, and plenty more rosemary. Any herbs that you like, just chuck them on. Any old fashioned, it doesn't really matter, just as long as you're getting plenty of aromatics into your dish. Mixed herbs are ideal, but thyme is one of those herbs that I just cannot live without. But mixed herbs is always something that I've always had in the kitchen. A good top tip here is to loosely wrap the foil. Don't do it too tight, because what this does is it creates like a nice way for the steam to move about inside the foil. It's absolutely delicious, and the leg of lamb is absolutely tender when it comes out of the oven. So you bake it, and the oven should be preheated to at least 180 degrees Celsius. The rest of the recipe will be in the description below. It bakes for at least 2.5 hours plus. It depends on how you like your lamb, but I'm one of these who can't tolerate the too much cremated texture. But unfortunately, there are people who are not fans of pink lamb in my family, so this will have to suffice. Thank you very much for watching, folks.